Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about a very important dicta which involves the nodes and the sign lord. Before beginning with the video, I want to request you all that if you happen to find the video useful and if you like the video, so please do encourage by pressing the like icon and share it with your friends, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed so far. So now let's begin with the topic. So it's all about the sign where the sign lord is present and Rahu or Ketu are also present in the same sign. What can we expect out of this combination? So as per this dicta, if Rahu or Ketu is present in a sign when the sign lord is also present in its own sign, in that case that house will become very strong. The person will gain in strength of that house where this combination is happening. Now let's see with the help of 3 examples who are having this kind of combination and what their life was all about. So the examples which I have taken here are of our 3 important national leaders from India. The first one is Mahatma Gandhi ji, who was a very renowned freedom fighter. He was a lawyer and he was a very important leader during the times of freedom movement. He was also considered as the father of nation. Now let's see why was he considered as the father of nation and what was so special in his chart that made people follow him so blindly. Now as per his chart, he is having moon in the 10th house in its own sign with Rahu. So we all know that moon is a benefic and a malefic as per its movement. So as per the rules of astrology, when a benefic planet is owning the quadrant, that is the Kendra house, it becomes a malefic. It ceases to become a benefic. And if a malefic is owning the Kendra, it becomes a benefic. In this case, moon is behind sun in degrees and it is a waning moon. So it means moon is a malefic in his chart, and by owning the Kendra, it has ceased to become a malefic and it will act like a benefic. Now because it is in its own sign and Rahu is also present here with moon, it will increase upon the energies of this benefic moon. So whatever the qualities of moon are, they will be showcased through the 10th house. So he was known to be extremely caring for his fellow being. People followed him and he used to tell people to adopt a life of simplicity, only because moon is also known for being natural. He told people to be natural, to abolish British goods and to create their own goods and to be self-reliant. This is all because of this kind of moon which was placed in his 10th house. And moon is also somebody who is very caring, somebody who is like a mother. So this, because of this moon, he was also called as the father of nation. So friends, you can see here how this Rahu has increased the qualities of this moon in his chart. Now let's see another example of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was also a freedom fighter and he was the first Prime Minister of India, and he was also a very popular leader during those times. And see, in his chart, in his 6th house, Jupiter is sitting in its Mool Trikona sign with planet Ketu. So his 6th house has now become extremely powerful, and we all know that 6th house is all about disease, debts and difficulties. So he had to go to jail many times. His difficulties were enormous and his enemies were also big due to this combination, because the 6th house is very powerful. So he had some very powerful enemies like the British government. He had to fight against the British government, and this is how later on he was able to get rid of that government from the country, and he was later on elected as the Prime Minister of India. So Sixth house also gives you a good placement in your job, in your place of work. So because the sixth house is pretty strong, and hence he was selected as the prime minister, and his difficulties we just saw were also enormous because Ketu enhanced the qualities of this Jupiter by being in its own sign in the sixth house. Now let's see another example of APJ Abdul Kalam, who was the President of India, and he has been conferred with Bharat Ratna, which is the highest civilian award in our country, and he was also a very popular leader. He was the President of India, he was the missile man, he was there for 3 decades as a space scientist, and he was at a very respectable position, and he was also a professor in various universities after he left his job as a president. Now let's see what is that special combination in his chart through this dicta. See, in his chart the third house is having a Buddhaditya Yoga in the sign of Mercury itself, and that also in its Mool Trikona sign. So the third house has become extremely strong, and Ketu by being in the third house is increasing the qualities of this house, and this is why his communications were related to intellect, because Buddhaditya Yoga will create intelligence, and his intelligence was in his abilities to communicate, and his communication was related to research, related to space, because here something intelligent has to be communicated. So he was doing his research as a space scientist, and he was considered as a people's president. So he would always connect with people, he would always motivate people because of this combination, and he was also known for his abilities, and these are all coming through his third house with this kind of communication. And Ketu is increasing the abilities of this Mercury, as it is not only in its own sign but also with a planet Sun, which is further giving it a very strong Buddhaditya Yoga. So friends, this is how we have to apply this dicta in various charts. I would request you all to also apply it in your charts and see how it is working. And I want to thank you all for listening, and I will come up with another video very soon.